Magandang araw! Welcome back to Kusina ni Bambi. So, I'm preparing a dish for my daughter who loves bok choy. So, this is giniling, pork giniling, and then ginisa ko siya sa garlic and onions. I have to add the sayote kasi ito yung available sa ref. And then, you add the potatoes. So, I made it cubes kasi ito yung gusto lang namin. Yung mga hindi na masyadong kakagatin. Chuchu na lang. And then, I have to add carrots, the cabbage, and syempre, mix ko lang to. So, wala lang. Gusto lang ng gulay. And then, bok choy, my daughter's favorite. So, after this, you're gonna mix it all, season it with black pepper, some Spanish paprika. Yes, kasi mahilig yung ano ko dun. So, I add the oyster sauce, ayun yung black pepper, yes, and then you have to mix it very well. And then, ayan na siya. So, hindi ko siya overcook. So, yung sakto lang. And then, you have to add the bell pepper. And, of course, you have to mix it very well. So, gusto ng anak ko. So, mahilig siya talaga sa bok choy, pero konti lang yung bok choy na tira. Kaya konti lang na ilagay ko. So, ayan na siya. So, konti lang talagang halo-halo. And then, voila! Another recipe!